how to add friends on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you will be learning how you can invite friends or add friends on chess.com. So chess.com is a gaming platform, all right, which can be very fun when you have your friends together with you and you can play together with your friends on the site. So to do so, to invite your friends, after logging in into your account, move to the right side of the screen where you can see some icons like friends, like messages, like settings. Ensure you click on the friends icon. After clicking on it, and you're brought to your friends page. You can see the different methods of inviting your friends. You can see friends link, you can see send email invite. You can decide to find Facebook friends, or you could just create a challenge link depending on your desire. So if you want to make it your friends link, just click on friends link and then copy this link and send the link to anyone, and they will become your friend automatically when they sign up, just like that. So you can try to copy the link and then paste it yourself in your social media platforms, or send it to your friends through any messaging app, or you can decide to click on the share icon in order for you to share it to your Facebook, or you can click on post in order to post it to your ex account. All right, this is one way, and then you can decide to send email invite. All right, by clicking on email invite, you can see a box is displayed on the screen, and here you can just go ahead and type out the email addresses of your friend that you would like to invite. So for me, I'm already typing out an email address, and once I'm done, move to the click enter, and then you can enter as many email addresses as you want. Then go ahead and click on invite, and an invite will be sent to that person. Once the person logs in and invites, and once the person accepts the invite, signs up, he or she will be your friend automatically on chess.com. Then you can decide to find Facebook friends too by connecting your Facebook to your chess.com account. You can create a challenge link, all right, and you can also search for friends by making use of their username. By searching their username, you can add them directly and they will be your friend. So this is how you can add friends on chess.com. So go ahead and try it out, all right? Thank you for watching and have a good day.